So hello and welcome to this session where we would be seeing how to access the template libraries in SpaceEffect. We have seen how to access them in the previous videos as well, but let's be specific this time and look for where do we find the template libraries and how do we use them. Okay, so for that we have to go to sites. So be it a funnel or a website, let's go with funnel. And here you find the template option. You click on continue. You can select any of these. You can click on this eye icon to view it, star icon to save it for later, or click on it and click on continue to add it to your store, to your account. And the moment you add it, you are now able to customize the sections, change the text, change the images, change the logos and all of that. And you need to make sure that you are using global sections for efficiency. Now, how do you use a global section or how do you build one? Let's look at this. You have the global sections over here. So there are no global sections available in this funnel or website. What I would do is I'll go back here, I'll select this entire thing and I'll click on save. Why this is important is something that I'll tell you. So header, global section, add two global sections and save. Similarly, I would do the same with the footer. Go to save, footer, global section. I'll add two global sections and save. Now what this would do is whenever I want to create a new page or add a new page and I want to use the same header and the same footer, I would simply go in. I'll show you what we do here. So I'll simply click on the plus, I'll go to global sections and drag and drop. So this will instantly get me the global section and I'm able to work on it. So that's how easy and quick it could be. Now you can set up some dynamic elements like the contact names or business niches. So something like a logo. Now this logo could be a dynamic logo or some of the text or your business name could again be a dynamic. So inspiring lives one person at a time with you can add a company name here. How do you do that? Let's find it out. I don't think we have it here. Okay, so for that you can use, here it is, account name. You'll have the option to use company name as well, so the account name, so that's the location name. Now this becomes dynamic whenever, so this is helpful when you are replicating the template for different clients. Whenever there is a change in the name of the client, you don't have to go and edit the company name every time. Rather, it would directly fetch from the name that you have saved for the business in the location. So that's how you make things dynamic. Similarly, you can do it for logos and all the different sections that you want. Once we are done with that, you can save this as a snapshot, deploy it across multiple client accounts. How do you save it as a snapshot is something that I would show you now. So I'll go back. I think I'll find the option to save it as a snapshot. Not sure where. I kind of keep forgetting stuff on how to navigate things, but let's find it out. Here it is. So you simply can share this as a snapshot with anyone having this link, anyone within Sawan Kumar, or you can remove the sharing. So once I copy this becomes a snapshot of this particular funnel that you can share across your clients, and they can use this link and easily duplicate the funnel in their website or in their sub account. Once you're done with this, once your funnel is ready, you click on the funnel, go to settings, connect your domain, name it, the path, the favicon URL, the tracking codes if you're running ads, the meta tracking codes, the Google codes, and you are done, ready to go live.